At this moment, I can start adding test cases to test suites. Create case for test suites for smoke. It will be create new bank client account, status actual. Description would be same. We simply create to test sanity smoke. It will be smoke test suite belongs. Severity is obviously critical because if we will not pass this smoke test case, we will not be able to proceed with functional. Priority high, type smoke, layer end-to-end, behavior positive, it could be negative, milestone, remember we created milestones, smoke milestone. It's gonna be manual, not automation. So precondition. Testing environment. Post condition. Smoke testing passed. We can create tags. Let's say I add smoke tag. We can create our own. I created them already. And I add new step. First step will be navigate and open bank mobile app. Mobile or web application, doesn't matter. Okay, expected result, bank mobile web application opens. Then next step, create brand new testing client account. And obviously expected account created. Next step, open dashboard menu and select checking account. Let's pretend that client has set up checking account. Checking account available. Add another step. Execute or run typical transaction. Transaction expected result completed. Then receive confirmation by email. Receive transaction confirmation by email. Confirmation. And final step, log out from bank mobile application. User logged out. Okay, so far we created the test case and we save it. As you can see, here's our first test case for sanity. We can always edit it and we are done. Now I'm going to add exploratory test case. It's gonna be test case 02. Explore new app would be same. Allow quality assurance team members to become familiar with new app. A suite exploratory, priority still high, severity major, type exploratory here I select, layer end-to-end still, behavior positive, milestone, exploratory milestone, okay. Let's see, and the conditions, sanity done, and post conditions, team members understand, quality assurance team members, post condition, stand, new application. Okay. I will add only new step. Let me see it. Okay, still here. I will add only new step. Classic or Gherkin. Right now I'm using Gherkin. Confirm. Okay, given bank app is up when team members walk through new application, then they understand new functionality. Save. Let's see our explore new application. Given bank application is up, when quality assurance team members walk through new applications, then they understand new functionality. Good for us, works. Now let's add functional. I'll add on functional test suite, create test case. I'll place copy paste it and I'll try to quickly create it. Takes too much time. All this would be steps, functional, normal, major, I'll say, priority high, type functional, layer end-to-end would be, milestone, functional milestone, behavior positive, could be negative like I told you, and preconditions, smoke, done, and exploratory. Post conditions, let's say test done or test complete. Okay, I'll add new step here. Navigate to bank app. I'll quickly set it done. Then I'll copy paste new step. Create new user button, done. New step. Create new client and submit, done. I don't want to waste too much time. Multi-factor authentication we're gonna add. Done or step complete. It should be more words in real life. New step. Manage your client by using Saturn menu, done. And finally, log out. And log out, another step, final step. Done. Save. This is our first functional test case. Normally it should be deeper. You need to go to database, to mainframe, etc. Let's say edit. New step. Verify account in, let's say, Oracle database. Done. And next type, verify account in mainframe. Done. Save. We edited our test case. It looks like this now. Good. We created first functional test case. Now we're gonna add another functional test case. I will be using same method. Functional severity, normal. Priority, let's say medium this time. It's functional. Layer end-to-end. Milestone. Functional behavior positive. Preconditions. I'm not gonna set it up this time. Doesn't matter for us. New step. Done. Actually, precondition could be good for preconditions. Okay. Login to bank account. Done. I'll cut it off here. Good enough. It's only for demonstration purposes. Or log out successful. let's say. Okay, and we save it. This is our second functional test case. Okay, adding another test case for functional. I'll drop it into description. So functional severity normal, type functional still, priority medium, layer end-to-end should be, behavior positive, milestone functional milestone, and precondition is fine for me, active account. Okay, tags, let's say functional, I can always add tags, it's for yourself. Then login select checking account, I'll create them all and I'll create typical transaction. Okay. Confirmation received. And obviously you need to log out. Log out from your account. Done or success, save. Okay, this is our another functional test case. As you can see, properties, runs, no runs meantime, no history, nothing meantime. You can always edit it. I'm going to add another functional test case. Okay, functional, normal, let's say normal, priority, medium, type functional, positive, layer to end, milestone, functional, should be tags somewhere here. Precondition I'm not setting, tags, okay, tags functional, new step. I'll cut it short a little bit. Confirmation and confirmation received. Good enough. Our test case. Normally, we need to test major bank functionality. For example, client applies for a loan, a financial loan, let's say. I'll make it simple. Preconditions. Let's say it should be like client has active account and a positive history, something like that. Tags functional, new step. And finally, submit your request. And when you submit your request, client gets loan reference number. Let's see. Usually it goes to underwriter first. Review client applications. Log into account and select loan options from the menu. Apply for a loan by filling out a loan form. It should be a big one with attachments, and submit loan request. We see it. Okay. We still go up. How about we're going to add one negative test case? Just to demonstrate it. Functional severity. Let's say, just to show, I'll set it as minor. Only still normal. Priority medium, type functional. Behavior, I will set negative this type. Time, negative behavior, milestone functional. Good enough. Precondition tags, functional. New step. Then, client is trying to log into active account with wrong user credential. Next step. Error. Here will be also error. Some error messages supposed to be. It could be one, but I'll make all three. Save. This is a negative test case example. Properties. As you can see, behavior should be negative. Okay. We add now a regression test case. Let's say for existing functionality. I'll set only regression, normal. Gonna be regression, priority, medium. Player end-to-end, behavior, positive. Milestone, regression milestone. Preconditions would be functional done. Obviously. Tags, I could say regression. I'll add only one step. Let's see. Login and update existing active client account. Success. Good enough. And I'd like to add another test case, which would be negative. I'll unite them in one step. No, I'll do it 2 steps. So regression, normal, type regression, behavior would be again negative here, layer and milestone, regression, Precondition in this case, active account with low balance. Tax regression, new step. And one simple step. Ask for withdrawal above limit. Error. And save. This is our negative test case. As you can see, properties. Behavior negative here. Okay, so we created so far smoke, exploratory, functional, regression. It's time to go to performance. I will add to performance, create test case, for example, description, execute. Let's say performance, layer, priority, let's say medium, severity. I'll set it major, performance, priority would be high in this case, behavior positive, milestones, performance. Okay, precondition, regression done. Okay, tags, I will say for performance, and I will add it in Gherkin, let's say. We start with given, virtual users created, for approved, for approved scenarios. I'll set and testing environment is identical to production. This important step for the performance. Add step when quality assurance team start approved load volume stress peak and stock. It's a leakage memory test. Scenarios, add step and virtual users started running, then tests should be completed with exit result reports and results correspond to approved by business analysis SLA, which stands for service level agreement. If you should know, you should not start performance testing without having SLA created by specific BAs. Save. Let's see our test. This is it. This is our test. Good. How about we add another performance type test cases? For example, let me cancel first. This is 11. Test case 12. Security penetration. Security penetration test. Security penetration. Performance, normal, major, type security somewhere here, okay. Priority still high. Layer to n should be no. Behavior negative, I'd say. Milestones. Performance. I'm not gonna do anything. Classic, I'll say in Gherkin. Okay. So add step when or given. Given bank app is up. Adds another step and security penetration that add step. This will be when. Then all attempts failed. Save. Let's see. Given bank application is up, when security penetration is executed, we need to add it here, is executed, okay. All attempts failed. Perfect. And we're still left with another user acceptance test case. I'll add it. I'll create a test case. Let's say test case 13. Final user acceptance. Okay, critical because it's final. It's type of acceptance, priority high. Behavior should be all positive. Milestone, acceptance milestone. Okay, precondition, all testing complete. As you should know, for smoke functional a regression performance is responsible for organizational internal quality assurance department, and for user acceptance, usually in all normal and large size organizations, they invite professionals from real production fields. Okay. tags acceptance. All good. Let me see milestone proper. And add step. I'll create it in Gherkin again. Given, when, then. Okay. Given all testing passed means from previous, all QA. All right, QA testing passed. When user testing started, then user approves testing results, or user approves or validates testing results. Let me see. It means user acceptance should validate and accept user testing results. Let me accept. And accepts bank application. Save. Something like that. Good. So far, we created the suites, we created these cases. And if we go to projects, to our project, we have everything. We need to create a test plan, after which we're going to create test runs.